All cameras live. Racers are at the starting line. Charges set on flight tower. Check. Terminal. Comm satellite. Track is rigged and ready. Race is live in 3, 2, 1. Driver 6 triggered comm satellite. Driver initiating route changer. Driver 23 has taken down the control tower.